India is continuously working to achieve economies of scale and is adopting state-of-the-art and clean coal technologies to improve productivity, safety, quality and ecology, shattering the common notion that coal mining degrades the land. Various new projects of Coal India Limited under the Ministry of Coal are not only reclaiming land to its original shape but also enhancing green cover along with coal mining activity. To maintain environmental equilibrium, emphasis is laid on simultaneous backfilling of land after open-cast coal mining operation and dense plantation. Out of many such greenfield projects, one of the largest projects of Coal India Limited is Jayant Opencast Coal Project in Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh. Let's learn more about this greenfield project. The project is forging ahead with the mission of looking beyond coal mining with land restoration and enhancing green cover day by day. This has helped in lowering down the effect of pollution substantially and has also helped in increasing carbon offset. The project is under Northern Coalfields Limited, a subsidiary of Coal India Limited. Jayant Coal Project operates in an area of about 3,200 hectares with an annual coal production capacity of 25 million tons. Mining operation in the project started in the year 1975 to 1976, whereas coal production started from 1977 to 1978 by deploying larger capacity heavy earth moving machines. These machines include dragline, shovel and dumpers. It is worth noting that the coal produced from the project is linked to Singrauli Super Thermal Power Station of NTPC located at Shaktinagar, Uttar Pradesh. It has a generation capacity of 2000 megawatts. The coal produced is being transported to the power plant through a dedicated merry-go-round system. Now let's understand how this project is enabling a sustainable ecosystem. In line with the Green Cover mission, massive plantation is being carried out every year in and around the project. It incorporates reclaimed areas and overburdened dump areas with the help of Madhya Pradesh Rajya Van Vikas Nigam Limited. The saplings that are planted encompass species like jamun, jungle, jalebi, sesam, cirrus, mahua, subabul, bale, amla, kachnar, karanj, neem, amalthas, bamboo, bougainvillea, cassia, gulmohar, khamer, and peltophorum. The project has witnessed an outstanding achievement. During a detailed review of environmental and forest clearance of the Jayant project, the satellite data of the project revealed more green cover than the pre-mining forest cover, which is a major accomplishment for any mega coal project operating in a large leasehold area. As per the Land Reclamation Report, based on satellite data for the year 2020, the pre-mining forest cover was around 1,180 hectares, which have now increased to the level of 1,419 hectares of green cover. This is about 45% of the total leasehold area of the project. Further, the target is to have over 2,600 hectares of the area covered under green cover after the closure of the mine, which will be more than double the pre-mining stage. All new coal projects have a mandatory well-laid mine closure plan, which apart from other activities, becomes a guiding factor for restoration of land to its original condition after completion of mining activity, thus leading to sustainable development across the country. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.